InstaWP lets you run Linux-based commands and WP-CLI instruction directly on your sites. Instead of running the same command every single time, you can save it once and run it whenever you need on a single site or across multiple sites at once. In this video, let's learn how to add, manage and run commands in InstaWP. To add a command to your account, open your InstaWP dashboard and go to Settings, then Commands from the left panel. Then click Add Command in the top right corner. Give your command a name and click Add. Next, enter the exact command you want InstaWP to execute on your site. For this demo, I am creating a command that installs and activates a specific WordPress plugin. You can replace InstaWP Connect with the plugin you want to install. Once this command runs on a site, WordPress will install and activate the plugin automatically, so you don't have to log in and install it manually. Once your command is ready, click Save Changes, and that's it. The command is now saved to your account and you can create other commands the same way. If you wish to delete a command, find the command you no longer need and click the delete icon next to it. The command will be removed from your saved commands. Now that you know how to add and delete commands, let's run one. From your InstaWP dashboard, select the site where you want to execute the command. Inside Site Management, open Run Commands. Click the drop down and you'll see all the commands you have saved to your account. Select the command you want to use and click Run Command. InstaWP will execute it on the selected site and you can review the command output right here. Where this becomes especially useful is when you need to run the same command across multiple sites. For that, go back to your sites list and select all the sites where you want the command to run. Click Bulk Edit, choose Run Command, and then select the command you want to execute. Run it and the same command will be executed across all the selected sites in one go. For agencies and developers managing multiple WordPress sites, this can save a lot of repetitive work. And that's how commands work in InstaWP. For more InstaWP walkthroughs like this, check out the rest of our tutorials.